Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, officially Made Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I made plantain chips, that is green plantain chips with guacamole sauce. So as you can see, I have pepper, I have tomato, I have onion, I have parsley leaf, I have I have lemon, I have garlic. These are the ingredients I use for my guacamole, and I have avocado pear as well. So here you can see me slicing, peeling the green plantain, and I'm slicing it here. So just stay tuned, continue to watch me. And green plantain contain potassium that help maintain the body cell and the fluids that control your heart rate and blood pressure. Plantain has a lot of fiber. This green plantain, when you eat it, it improves cardiovascular health and regulates the blood pressure. It also boosts our immune system and it helps in weight management as well. So that is why it's good for us to take plantain. You can eat plantain in any form. It can be boiled. You can cook it the way I'm about to do right now by frying it into chips. But before you eat green plantain, unlike the normal banana, green plantain must be cooked before eating. So here are my sliced ingredients: onion, tomato, sweet pepper, chili pepper to prepare the guacamole. I'm going to include parsley leaf to my guacamole because parsley has a lot of health benefits. It's rich in vitamin K and vitamin A. And it also prevents cancer and help us to get rid of unwanted substances in our system. I'm using 2 avocados for the guacamole. Let me quickly say that I forgot to add garlic to the guacamole. It's optional anyway. You can add it whenever you want to. It's not too late. Also, you can use whatever choice of sauce you want to eat these plantain chips. As you can see, I'm including barbecue sauce. I like how barbecue sauce tastes with plantain chips. You can try it and see. So if you don't want to use guacamole, or if you don't want to make prepare guacamole for this, just go ahead and use barbecue sauce. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think about using barbecue sauce for your plantain chips. Go ahead, enjoy your plantain chips with whatever dip and sauce you desire. Share, comment, and subscribe.